If Resident Evil Requiem audio desync, delay, or lag issues, try these fixes. First, restart your PC and then launch the game again. Next, go to Game Options, Audio Settings, and change the audio device. Try switching between headphones, TV, or speakers, depending on what you're using. Then go to Options, Graphics, Image Settings, and change frame rate from variable to 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second. Match your frames per second with your monitor refresh rate. For example, if your monitor is 60 Hz, set frames per second to 60. If the game is installed on HDD, move it to SSD using Steam. Settings, Storage. Move Game to SSD or reinstall the game directly on SSD. Next, go to Graphics Settings, Advanced Settings, and turn off NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. Frame Generation. Also try turning VSync on and off and enable FreeSync from your monitor settings. Update your graphics card drivers using Clean Installation. Download latest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD website. Select Custom Installation. Enable Clean Install. Restart PC after installation. Finally, verify game files. Steam, right-click Game, Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. One of these methods should fix the audio desync or lag issue. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.